5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Per contra, Mr. M.S. Singhvi, learned counsel, appearing for answering respondents number 3 and 4, urged that the constructions have been made on the vacant land and the same have not been put to commercial use for earning any personal gain but for meting out the required expenses for smooth running of the educational institution, and this decision is in consonance with the decision taken by the state government for leasing out vacant lands of the government schools for commercial use to generate income, as is evident from the news item dated 4/9/2001 within bracket annexure R3/1 published in the daily newspaper Dainik Bhaskar. It has further been contended that it has become a hard nut to crack to run the educational institution for paucity of funds, and as such, if any decision is taken for generating the income to run the institution smoothly, then it is in the interest of the student and general public, and such decision cannot be termed as public, and such decision cannot be termed as an outcome of ulterior consideration or oblique motive to earn any personal gain by any of the respondent authorities. Stranger. Where the court finds on being moved by an aggrieved party or by any public spirited individual or social action group that the executive is remiss in discharging its obligation under the Constitution or the law, so that the poor and the underprivileged continued to be subjected to exploitation and injustice, or are deprived of their social and economic entailments, or that social legislation enacted for their benefits is not being implemented, this depriving of their rights and benefits conferred upon them, the courts certainly must intervene and compel to executive on to carry out its constitutional and legal obligations and ensure that the deprived and vulnerable sections of the community are no longer subject to exploitation or injustice, and they are able to realize their social and economic rights. Stanza. In view of the above, it is expedient to direct the respondent district collector Udaipur to conduct a detailed inquiry with regard to the land or building of the respondent Vidyapeeth already allowed the commercial use for making good their regularities or illegalities, if any, resulted by allowing the land or building in question for the purpose other than educational one, and submit the same to the state government within 4 months. The respondent Vidyapeeth and its authorities are restrained to alienate, transfer, let out or lease out any part of the land or building in question without prior permission of the respondent state stop while considering the permission if any sought to be oblique by the respondent Vidyapeeth for change of user of the land or building in question stop. The state shall keep in view such report submitted by the collector and the paramount interest of the students with the financial hardship stop over.